Check this out, guys. While I was changing my battery out, letting her cool down a little bit, went for a walk to see if I could find the old dog bone. Look what I found. It was over there in the grass. Right over there by that tree to the right of it. I probably stepped on it 30, 40 times. Looked down today. Boom, there it was. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. Good thing is I ordered a new set from Jenny's and I got full CVDs now in my Creighton. And my son wants to put he wants to extend his Typhon and turn it into an Outcast. So I got all the axles now. I got all the dog bones. I got all the hubs. All we need to get is some arms. It all works out when you keep coming back to the same spot. I've actually found everything I've ever lost here. I found, take that back, everything but body mounts. Those are the one things that I usually never find. Oh, there she is. She's woke up now. I think I'm gonna go up to 200 in the center diff on this thing. I got 100 in there now. I just got factories, 100 in the front, 70 in the rear. Oh yeah, baby. Go check out my lady. She's walking the ducks, or walking the dog, feeding the ducks. See if we can go chase the ducks away from her. Oh, look at that crane. I want to do it. The fucking duck is that? Iridescent green wing. Yeah, Edom Street. Ask my dog.
Where is it, Street? Where is it?
So I've actually been swimming in these here waters before. Actually, my Creighton, when I first got it, way over there, I come over the hill and it went straight into the water. My heart sunk, and so did I. Right in after it, I got it. And just like that. Hey, did you see that? I was just talking about the crate going in the water.
Yeah.
Look.
You really literally just drove it in the water.
That's right. I didn't drive it. I actually did a flip and kind of went in itself.
Wow.
But I saved it.
Did you have to be in there?
Not really. I got lucky. I would have went in though if I had to.